Hi everyone, we are the Group 1. We are composed of Edward Carlos, Robert Weingardner, Marielle Macaspac, Jana Angela Quintin, Vikisu Ivy, Justin Yaya, and Mika Joy Sinke. Today we will be discussing about the history of global politics, creating an international order. We will be focusing on these three topics: the attributes of today's global system, the interstate system, and internationalism.
Hi, it's Marielle Macaspac. I'll be discussing the attributes of today's global system and the origin of the system. The attributes of today's global system. World politics today has four key attributes. First, some countries or states are independent and govern themselves. Second, these countries interact with each other through diplomacy. Third, there are international organizations like the United Nations that facilitate these interactions. And fourth, international organizations also take on lives of their own, aside from facilitating meetings between states. For example, United Nations. Apart from being a meeting ground for presidents and other heads of state, it also has task-specific agencies like the World Health Organization and the International Labour Organization. For a better understanding, let's find out the origins of this system, and let's start with what it means when he or she says a country, or what academics also call the nation-state. Origins of the system. The nation-state is a relatively modern phenomenon in human history, and people did not always organize themselves as countries. Different parts of the history of humanity, people in the various regions in the world have identified exclusively with units as small as their village. They see themselves as members of large political categories like the entire Christian world. The nation-state is composed of two equal terms. Not all states are nations, and not all nations are states. Example, Nation of Scotland. It has its flag and national culture, but still belongs to a state called the United Kingdom. There are states with multiple nations. There are also single nations with numerous states. Example, Korea. Korea is divided into South and North Korea. Another example is China. Chinese nation may refer to People of Republic of China, which is the mainland, and Taiwan.